When it's time for you to take a test, you'll see it on the first screen when you log in. Click Take Test Now. Test lasts 45 minutes and you have a timer. You can move between questions and enter your answers. And you can go backwards and forwards and check your answers. When you enter the last question, you can click Finish and OK. This gives you a percentage score. The teacher will decide your language level looking at the score. You also get personal self-study recommendations based on the results of your test. These recommendations are for activities in the school learning centre. When you look at the test details, you'll see which questions you got correct and which ones were answered incorrect. And you can go through these with your teacher in class. It is also possible to find your test details from the My Study page. The results of assessment are recorded in the My Progress page. This is a profile of your language skills decided by the teacher when looking at your assessment scores. There is also a graph showing your self-assessment. This is based on your confidence in learning aims for the course, which are listed underneath. To look at all the aims for the course, click View My Aims. This is where you can decide what you want to tell your teacher about your confidence and things you want to practice more. When you select an aim and say need more practice, that information will be available to your teacher in tutorials. The Language Resources tab lets you see the grammar and vocabulary aims to do the same. When it's time for a tutorial, the teacher will unlock the tutorial. Then the teacher can look at what aims you decided you want more practice for and choose the two most important ones for this week. During your tutorial, you can talk about other things you want to learn, and the teacher can personalize your study recommendations. When the tutorial is saved, the teacher's advice to you appears on the study page. My aims for study this week. In this example, you can see the advice that was entered.